Did you all know that you can record your gameplay and any other app activities on Windows 10 for free and without downloading any external software using Windows 10 inbuilt Xbox Game Bar? You don't need Xbox or you don't need Xbox Game Pass. It's a very simple tool, so let's see how we can use it. First, you need to ensure that Xbox Game Bar is on by clicking on Start, Settings, Gaming, and make sure that this toggle which says Xbox Game Bar is enabled. Here you can also see several keyboard shortcuts that you can customize if you would rather use the keyboard instead of the UI. The important ones are opening the Xbox Game Bar Win G or starting and stopping recording Win plus Alt plus R. Now go to the Captures tab on the left to see where your recordings will be saved. That is in the Captures folder. If you want to save your files in a different location, you can move your Captures folder to wherever you want to save, and Windows will automatically detect it and save it in your Captures folder. I would also recommend to change the maximum recording length to 4 hours. If you also want to record audio, make sure this toggle which says record audio is turned on, and this checkbox which says turn mic on by default is also checked. Once you are done with all the settings, you can now launch the app or the game that you want to record. I'm going to use Angry Bird to show how we can use Xbox Game Bar to record screens and games. Let's get into it. Once you have opened the app or the window that you want to screen record, you can launch the Xbox Game Bar by going to the search box and typing Xbox Game Bar, and you can launch the app from here. You can also launch Xbox Game Bar using keyboard shortcut Windows logo key plus G. The way to remember is G stands for game. Once you are in the Xbox Game Bar experience, you will see a bunch of windows launched over the window that you want to record. For this tutorial purposes, we are interested in this window, this capture window on the left, which also has a record button. Let's go ahead and start recording our game. I'm going to click this record button and start recording, and as soon as I click on my window, the recording has started, as you can see this on the left. Yay, I got it. Now I can stop the recording. The recordings will be saved in MP4 format in your capture folder, as you can see right here. You can now use this recorded file any way you want. For example, share it with your friends or upload to YouTube. Given it's free and is inbuilt in Windows 10, I think it's a great and simple alternative to any other paid screen recording software to record your game and app screens and then share. If you like this tutorial, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.